In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write and test a function that creates a function named highest with an argument of nums, where nums is a list of numbers. This function is going to return the highest values of the numbers in the list. The algorithm to find the largest value in a list is step 1, create a variable named highest and assign it a small value. Step 2, gonna step through the list, and if you find a value greater than highest, we're gonna make that the new highest value. The code that will accomplish this is as follows. First, we're gonna create a function called highest, and this function is gonna have a parameter called nums that we send, which is gonna be a list. As the algorithm said, we're going to create a variable called highest. Notice that this is little h, so I won't be confused with the big H of the name of the function. So highest is going to be assigned a small value, which in this case is 0. After we assign that, then we're going to process the list by saying, using a for loop, by saying for I in nums. So I is going to take the values of the list one at a time. If I is greater than highest, we're going to make highest equal to I. We're going to assign I to highest. After we process the list, we're going to return that value. So we're going to return highest. To test our function, we're going to create a function called main. First thing main does is create a list. And notice that in this list, the value 15 is the highest value. Then we're going to create a variable called max, and we're going to call highest, passing it list, which is what we created in this first statement right here. Once we process the list, we're going to print the highest value is max. Then the final statement in our source code is going to be a call to main. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this. I want to copy it to an empty file that I created here. And then I'm going to test my file, or I'm going to test my code. So we're going to say run module, and I got to save it. And then if you see, the highest value is 15, as we expected. So that's how you can create a function called highest that receives a list, and you can process that list and find the highest value.